immediately before Yabao. Nag-invest siya. Lahat ng along the highway niya nilagyan niya ng fence na grill na may sun na ganyan. Tapos I was wondering how they were able to do that since some of the properties are private, some of public. Actually public. Ginawa pala nila sa mga private areas, they superimpose another fence. So dalawang fence sa mga private properties.
So why is it in private?
Yes, it looks like parang ito uniform look siya. Pero sa kaya whole town yung uniform ang
Baka pala pag ganito, i-drop off ka ng tricycle dito, maglakad ka all the way. Wow, ano nga siya.
Ganun. Baba din din.
Jogging sila, oh.
makes for healthier people. They jog.
Okay. Why you put it behind? Diba?
Someone put it there
Someone put it there, yeah.
and said, pwede ba ko talaga yun? I remember who that was.
Yes,
Who
but
was
I
it?
didn't know it was your water.
Tanong siya, ma'am, na bakit nasa likod?
Laughing at me.
Marami mga... Ito naka-point to. This is for windmill.
The lighthouse.
The windmill is farther.
The lighthouse, there's a
Probably
resort.
an hour or
The
more.
resort beside it is top rated.
Baka may beach doon sa na medyo
Sa
more
I
private
something.
sa windmill.
Isang top rated beach din doon. You have to try that. It's better than the other. Yan. Halibut. I think this is already the predicted earthquake. When it starts to rain.
Oops, dog.
Where the it was cemetery. What will happen if you hit a dog just in front of the cemetery?
It's a pet cemetery.
Next one sila ba? Yung mga highway nila.
Kaya ni driving cars dito ba?
Here,
Ganda ko na drive talaga.
Oo nga, no? Ganda na
Ay,
yun.
yun, no?